guys, my name is Diana. Today I will be showing you how to do these messy waves. So if you want to learn, keep on watching. Okay guys, well let's begin. Today we're going to use the wand called Infiniti Conair. So how much is it? I'm not sure, but this is how it looks like. Okay. So that's one item that we're going to use today, and to protect my hair because my hair is kind of getting ugly, I need to cut it again. We're going to use, it's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. This is how it looks like. It does 10 things, that's why it's called like that. It does repairs dry, damaged hair, add shine. So you can actually add it after you do your hair, but I just add it for protector from the heat, which is good for that too. So either you can spray it, but I don't like spraying it because it doesn't get where I want it. So I just spray it in my hand. It smells really good. It smells like, I don't even know, but it's good. It smells good. So you just put that all around. As you can see, my hair already looks a little bit shinier. So you do that, and then I know a lot of people tend to strain out their hair so they can get the waves that they want, but I don't think, to me, I don't think that's necessary. My hair's already kind of like wavy-ish, but this is like mine after I sleep hair, when I wake up, after I wake up from a shower hair, if that makes any sense. But so we're gonna split it, and you're also gonna need one of these. A lot of people don't use that, but I do because it's hard. All right, so whenever you're doing your hair, you always want these two sides to go out of your face. So you want them out of your face, not coming towards your face, because then that will be pretty annoying. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the wand, and you're gonna put it like this, and you're just gonna curl outside, like out of your face, and you hold that, and then you let it go. You don't want to hold it for too long. Hold it for like about 3 seconds, and then your hair should be even. And then you do that to the other one as well. You rotate it. You want to do 2 out of your face. There you go. And then the other ones you're just gonna alternate. So you're gonna do one in the front, one coming towards your face, the other one coming out of your face. And then same with this side, for this side. So you want it out of your face. Okay. And then you do one more out of your face. Sorry about all these birds. I have my window open for better lighting. So yeah. So you're just gonna keep going, alternating. I don't know if you can see the back. Ow. But whenever you're doing this, you don't want them to be perfect. You just want them to be curly. You don't want them to be perfect, like perfect. So you let it down, and then you do another half. I think this is a really good hairstyle for an every day wear, because this is not as difficult. You just have to, it's not as difficult, and you only do parts of it. Like me, I don't tend to do all my hair, and it comes out really good. I always get a lot of compliments about it, and so why not do a tutorial about it? So you keep going around. So yeah, kind of get the idea of it. Go ahead, do the same thing you were doing, alternate it, but just make sure that these are facing out of your face, the front ones. Oops. Again, you don't want them to be perfect because you don't want actual curls. You just want you want messy curls. And then if you have layers, it'll probably look a little bit better. It'll look like you have more hair, more beachy waves. But me, unfortunately, cut my hair in a bob. And when I did that, I never went again to, whenever it grew out, to go get layers. So if you do have layers, it probably look much better. But I mean, with my short hair and with this, I like them. So just look for the parts that you missed, redo those. And then you go to the back, because I know in the back. And this is it. You're ready to go to wherever you're gonna go. It's so easy and simple, and it doesn't take up time. If you want to see more hair tutorials, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to do more. Thank you.